If I don't believe in the theory that cholesterol causes heart disease, why did I develop an advanced cholesterol supplement? Well, look, cholesterol is found at the scene of the crime, but it's not the perpetrator. I mean, it participates a small amount in inflammation. But the other cast of characters are more important. That's high triglycerides, low HDL, and higher blood sugar. Look, these components can create a metabolic syndrome, which causes enormous inflammation in the body. We've placed all the emphasis on cholesterol. It's stolen the stage. I mean, people are worried about their cholesterol. Look, you need to be much more worried about your triglycerides, your blood sugar, and your HDL. Those are the factors that can be incriminated in metabolic syndrome. And what is metabolic syndrome? Well, here it is. A male gets his waist size increasing with age. His waist size goes to 40. In a woman, it can go to 35 or 36. You know, blood pressure numbers may rise. Weight may rise up. You get these lipid abnormalities. Your blood sugar tends to rise up. It becomes a very inflammatory disorder. And it predisposes us, to cardiovascular problems. So the perfect solution for metabolic syndrome is certainly exercise and a good healthy diet, but citrus bergamot does everything right. Remember, it lowers blood sugar, it lowers triglycerides, and it raises HDL. Whenever you do that, you are helping to support taking metabolic syndrome off the table. When you do that, you're optimizing your health.